I hate doing videos like this. I'm actually really boiling right now. Here's what the CEO of Ledger has to say. He explains Ledger recovery would give the state the ability to recover your Bitcoin private keys in the event of a subpoena. So what does that mean? It means once they are pinched, which they will be, look at no further than how strict the US, Canada, Australia, and so on are getting with crypto, okay? Governments are pinching, especially in the EU, where you have MiCA regulations wanting to KYC pretty much everyone. And now I'm hearing reports that they want to KYC people that are using decentralized exchanges. Good luck on that, because they're going to need it. If these decentralized exchanges are solid, they're not going to be they're not going to follow these rules. Okay, now there's a reason why I'm pissed off too, because I didn't actually know that the CEO of Ledger said this. In 2020, he said, "We feel privileged to be speaking with the WEF at Davos." Wow, you couldn't speak to a more demonic crowd than at Davos, especially the WEF. So what's happening here? What's happening is that Ledger is trying to make exporting your keys normal. It's just trying to normalize this, essentially not holding your private keys and trusting third parties, which is so crazy. That's the whole point of a hardware wallet, is to hold on to your private keys and not have to trust anybody. Let's go on to trust. There should be trustless systems. This shouldn't even be a possibility of happening. Who cares? We shouldn't have to care about what happens to three different companies out there that if they get subpoenaed. I wouldn't care if this was completely, if you really owned your private keys. This wouldn't matter. This should never have been a possibility. So what is Heidi and I doing right now? Well, we are on an endeavor to go find really good hardware wallets. So more than one. There is a lot of different hardware wallets out there, and we are going to find them. We are going to do videos on them. I think that's one of the most important things in crypto going forward. It's probably not what you learned at the Bitcoin conference with all the cool guys and the presidential people and the celebrities. No, this is actually really serious stuff here, and this is going to affect everybody, especially those that actually care about their freedom and autonomy in this space. That's all I have. Please like and subscribe. I will talk to you soon.